those people who love gardening or farming, but they have never gotten a chance, especially when they live abroad, they have never gotten a chance to know if it is possible to get a piece of land. And it is very cheap. Very cheap. Very cheap. This is the research I'm doing now, and I could like to share with you, my people. Let's explore these things. Let's get to learn these things. It's not only about going abroad to look for money, going abroad to study. It's also about living life. This is whereby we have to also divert to that. I have to live life. And living life is not only about soil. There are a lot of things that you visit places, you get to learn about your serenity, your area, your environment. You get to integrate to the system. Live life. As you work hard to build home, nyumbani, tulitoka tuchenge nyumbani, okay? Also, live life now. Life is now. Love the life you live now. Taking care of yourself, waking up early in the morning, getting to see what are the possibilities that I can live me. The cheap things which makes me happy. The cheap things which makes me happy. Because someone may say that I don't want to spend money. But have you ever thought about spending money in other things which does not even relate about your health, the person you're looking for money? It's high time you take care of yourself so that you become more productive. Eat well food. Even if you tell me that I get food from the shop, tell me, unapata wapi managu mama? Unapata wapi managu baba? Unapata wapi managu kijana yetu? Msichana yetu, utapata wapi managu? Yenye ukikula unasikia umekula. That was my vernacular language, that where will you get the black nightshade? Especially here in Finland. If not a friend who has planted it to give you small, where will you get the spinach, that taste of spinach that you want, that taste of skuma wiki that you want? It's until you plant them in somewhere. Even if you have a small veranda, corridor, balcony, put one sack, and there is a taste. Kuna taste nani, kuna ile ka taste. That is taste I want people to have it. Okay? Otherwise, earlier you are outside, the better. Because summer is very short. You will realize that, I never experienced my summer. Especially if you are first time here in Finland. You don't know the system yet. You don't know the seasons yet. I encourage you to be outside, the earlier the better. Take your food, eat it in a puisto, in a garden. Experience this warm weather slowly by slowly. By the time it is August, you are already at the brim, at the brim. So my people, let me not talk so much, but let me go and explore the gardens, where they are, how much is it, are we able to, you call and ask, is it possible, and also do a research in the internet, and also ask friends. There are some people who have been doing this gardening forever, and they have not yet been sharing. I encourage you, if you have been doing any gardening, kindly share. Take your friends with you, go and plant. And as you plant there, you also socialize. That is the best thing about you being a human being. Socializing with other human beings. Having interactions with other human beings, Interaction. That's when you lower the level of loneliness. Weka zero. Summer, weka zero loneliness. Winter, you have already put your tank full, so you'll be able to swift smoothly through winter with no problem. So this summer we are filling our tanks of socializing, interacting, connecting with soil, our brains to work. By winter we are good to go. Shamba. Tunapita ngapi? Aha. Nani, tumefika kwa shamba sasa. For those who are looking for the farm. I'm very poor with compass. Yani I feel like njia yenye tumepitia ni tofauti. Wanatokelezea hapa na gari. Ara ngumino ngoje na kwa gibat kwani upika chitam ko kolsa kwata. 10 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Na iende huko 10. 10 by 10. Okay. Not bad. But it looks too small. If you go like this, another 10. Okay. It's a good opi. Opi maji. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Nako. We are ready to farm. Original soil. Great, great. Where is the waters? Twende tuone. Hatunya maloge siku. Rough road? Olma. Okay, tutapita to your rough road. There we have the Bendera of Finland. Oh, there. We are looking for farm, on a serious note. And it's still very wet. The measuring of the farms will be very soon. I will tell you in this video. This video. If you are looking for a farm, this is the right time. Kadeni. Oh, here we have berries. Kuna watu wanakujanga kulima huko berries. And we also have soil. Hapa tutawasha moto. Mapigo. The namings. Wanakuja kuname. Yana tuna. And there are a lot of soil. You can do demarcation. And it is already wet. So, when we always come with bike. Surveillance. Ingine. When people are few who are farming here, I think our limiote. We are seeing if we have water here. Woo! Summer is here. Woo, we have water. Na kuna kanyumba hapo. Niliaifanya video kwa hii kanyumba. Niyo bridge hapo. Water is near. There. Na kuna hii kanyumba hii. Ni store ya mtu. The beauty. And there is the farm. And when we are going for cycling, we go this way. Yeah. Alafu unafika kwa nini? S-market. Ama neste. Ukipitia hii ya neste. Na ukipitia ile... Ukipitia ile... Paiva kote ya pelisha ukiteremka. Paiva kote ya pelisha si nini? Niyo? Natokelezea hiyo. Tunakuja Erasmani Uima. Alafu tunaenda nateremka kwa nini kiwanja. Atela kiwanja. Exploration journey continues, my people. We have to explore our area, Explore your area and you get a place to farm. You see, it was very big, so all these trees will grow. People are aging, even as we are aging. That means this place was farmed by so many people. Because here you can see, this was a very big farming area. But because people have aged, nobody nowadays does farming here. So, People have aged. Even us, we are aging. On a serious note, we are aging every day. We are aging every day. Every day, every day. We found it all. We found it all. So next is about seeds. Thinking about how it will be divided. And we have some flowers already. Ooh, beautiful flowers. Yellow. These flowers are medicine. Medicine, medicine. So let's go. Hayo mchanga nani anajenga hapo? Oh, parking. Parking is here. Parking place. The road is there. Very nice roads. The road is there. Not spoiled. So when you explore, you have the dates. Let's see.
Sel kapelta. Boleh ning 3.
Huh?
What is
3.
Palstaviljely aika.
Let's check.
Ini ilikuwa tarehe mbili.
Inatas mana internet. Ilikuwa Udet Vili. Sisi ni new. So sisi ni hapa.
Yeah.
Huh?
Hiyo ni nini? Hiyo ni
Mbona hapo ina read?
Lakini ilikuwa amesema tarehe mbili.
Kwa internet? Walipai vita.
Yep.
Isipokuwa nini tunakuja tena tarehe 3. Saa 4. 145. We are determined to get the farm. So let's go back. Na vile iko beautiful. Wangelima mpaka hapa kwa barabara hapa.
Sasa inategemea watu wanahitaji.
Wenye wanahitaji. Where? Come here, many people. We need many people so that we get more land. More space. Okay? For those who want to farm, kindly come here, we farm together. So that we get big space. And the road is good. The water is near. Come with your jembe. It's time for jembe. Okay? Others, my people, explore, inspire, and have fun. Nothing much. Nothing much. The farm is very fertile. Totally fertile. Very, very fertile. Na wametulimia shamba. So, let's just go explore, inspire, have fun. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, sharing, and liking. See you in my next video, okay? Bye-bye. Kabush, we are pushing where? Forward, forward, forward. Yes. Bye-bye.